How to lock YouTube screen while you watch it. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to lock YouTube screen while you watch it. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch YouTube app on your device. Sign in to your account. Now you can easily try searching on YouTube that you want to lock the YouTube screen off. Suppose if this is the video that you want to lock the screen off, then tap the gear icon of the particular video at top right. And here you can easily find the lock screen option, select that. Now your screen has already been locked. In order to unlock, you can easily tap on unlock option and the video has been unlocked and you can easily now make the changes. So that's how you can easily lock YouTube screen while you watch it and unlock it later. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.